Hey, it's Jeremy Glowacki. I'm at InfoComm 2026 at the Legrand AV booth. I'm with the Da-Lite brand within the company, and I'm here with Patrick. We're going to talk about an award-winning screen, and what makes this unique is that it's a cable drop screen.
Yep.
So that solves some aesthetic issues that you normally see with a drop screen.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah, and thank you for the award for this. But yeah, so this is the Myriad Reveal, which is our brand new electric screen. And as Jeremy was saying, it's showcasing our SightLine cable drop. So that's thin airline cables to have that screen come down without a lot of black drop. Perfect for environments where maybe there's an aesthetic wall behind or the customer just wants a floating screen effect. This particular size can drop down to 10 feet. We have a size where the SightLine can drop down to 16 feet. So very versatile. And in addition, we also have a ceiling recess version. So this is our on-wall, on-ceiling, but if you want something a little bit more hidden, we have the Myriad Conceal. A really, really cool accessory that we've just updated is our Da-Lite screen controller. So this little black box is an accessory that you can add to the Myriad screen as well as other electric screens in the Da-Lite portfolio. And that allows you to remotely roll the screen up and down. And then we also just added it to our Racklink Cloud. So the cloud platform from Legrand, now I can see all the screens that I have in a campus, for example, be able to access that screen controller and remotely roll the screen up, roll it down, see where it is. Perfect, you know, if you want to roll every screen around campus down up at night or down in the morning, you don't have to have somebody running around doing that. So really, really cool accessory to add to our Myriad screen.
Okay, and it's available with the GREENGUARD GOLD Certified surface. Now, what is that exactly?
That's a UL standard that we test all of our screen surfaces to, and it just makes sure that it's not, you know, putting any chemicals into the air or anything like that. So it's a clean surface, clean materials, you know, certified for school environments where air quality is important, and it's something that we do for all of our screen surfaces.
And you mentioned how much the drop distance is with the cable drop. What is I might have missed it, size range for
so
width?
Right now we're going from, I think, 92 up to 226, or so broad range, and then we have plans and product development even larger than that. So okay. Myriad is going to be that electric go-to electric screen platform that's going to run all those sizes.
Great. Well, thank you very much for giving us that overview. I appreciate it. Have a great show.
Thanks.